Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete an Odoo website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Deleting a website frees up space and removes unnecessary content safely. So the first thing that you will do is log into your Odoo and click website. And once you're here, you will just have to go to your configuration area. And then here you should see the website's feature. So you have to make sure that you do have the version that has this feature. So once you see that feature, you will just have to click it, and then you will select the website that you would want to delete and click the action button and then choose delete. And after that, you will confirm the deletion prompt, and this action cannot be undone. Then you will check your website dashboard, and you will ensure that the website no longer appears. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.